To attract enough volume of leads and sales, there's one thing you got to do, and that is to attract a lot of attention. Obviously, the more attention you attract and the more you're able to hold the attention of your audience, the more business you'll attract. The problem is if you have limited resources, limited time, and limited budget to do your promotion, well, you have to make sure you focus your efforts and your budget on the activities that will attract the most quality, the most leads and the best quality leads as well. So, how do you do that? How do you know which of your actions, which promotional actions will generate the most amount of leads? Well, first of all, you're going to have to try. Either you can learn from people who've already done it in your industry, or you can test different methods of promotion. But if you do so, you need to be able to track which promotional activity is generating the most leads and also the best quality leads. And that's why one of the first action we do with our clients, the ones who take our full package, is to install analytics on their website properly if it hasn't been installed already. Now we'll install Facebook, the Facebook tracking code. It's called the Facebook Pixel. And we also install Google Analytics if it's good enough for them. And Google Analytics has a free version, which is more than enough for 99% of all businesses out there. It's free, two free software, two free methods of tracking your promotional activities. That's why one of our first action is to implement analytics for all of our clients. Now, we understand you might not need our full package, but you still want to be able to track all of your promotional efforts. Even if you're just posting some free content on social media, you still want to be able to track which posts are actually generating leads and sales. And we can show you how to do that. So here's what we did. If you don't need our full marketing package, that's totally okay. We have now created a standalone, low-cost service of installing analytics for you. And we made it very low cost so that you can afford it. For example, if you simply need Google Analytics installed on your website, in most situations, it may cost as little as $50. If you need the Facebook tracking code installed as well, it may cost a little more. The price will actually depend on the complexity of your project because some project may be a little bit more complex. So just give us a call or DM me and provide your phone number and I'll give you a call and I'll find out a little bit more about your business and I'll let you know what we need to do to install proper analytics based on your promotional efforts.